setting the standard for all-electric SUVs while bringing you innovative technology, substantial driving range, and exhilarating performance. The 2021 North American Utility Vehicle of the Year.
The Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Mach-E has everything you need to inspire your next adventure. With a front trunk that adds extra versatility. With 4.0 cubic feet of space. With its 19-inch silver-painted aluminum wheels. Stylish black painted roof and hands-free foot-activated liftgate. The 15.5-inch touchscreen displaying the 360-degree camera with split view, vehicle climate controls, ambient lighting, driver assist technology, vehicle drive modes, active park assist, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay.
So come take a test drive with me, Jordan Robinson, and the 2021 Mustang Mach-E here at Royal Oak Ford.